Understanding area, a guide to measurement. Area is the amount of space something covers on a surface. It's like counting how many squares of the same size fit inside a shape. To measure area, count the number of squares that fit inside the shape. For example, a square that is 4 cm long on each side can fit 16 squares of 1 cm by 1 cm inside it. So the area of the square is 16 cm too. Some shapes have formulas to calculate their area easily. For a rectangle, it's length times width. And for a circle, it's pi times the radius squared. Area is useful for many things. You can use it to determine how much paint you need to cover a wall, or how much carpet you need for a floor. Area has different units depending on what you're measuring. You can use square meters for large areas or square centimeters for small areas. Area is a physical quantity that can be measured and compared with other quantities of the same kind. Like, share this video and follow and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.